Hey there, it's Perry with PapercraftingThreads. Today I have a So Much Love wedding shaker card. Let's get started.
I used the soon-to-be available deckled circle in the time-worn type embossing folder on my 5-inch square thick cardstock front. After applying adhesive sheets to the back of basic white cardstock scraps, I die cut the words So Much Love 3 times. Then I removed the liner and stacked the words up. The die cuts look even more 3D then, somewhat like chipboard. And I do all of this on my silicone craft sheet because nothing sticks to it. For small pieces, reverse tweezers are a great help so I don't remove all of the stickiness with my fingers. I applied a 5-inch square piece of vellum cardstock to the inside of my card front. The card base shown on the left is a 5 by 10 inch piece of basic white thick cardstock scored in the middle. I applied foam adhesive strips around the circle. Then I used bits and pieces of foam adhesive sheets to build up support of the front. I removed all the liners from my adhesive and centered it over my pile of sequins on my card base. A firm press everywhere to make sure everything is sealed and no sequins can pop out. I do a dry run first for placement, then remove the last liners and stick that right to the vellum. Wink Estella adds some nice sparkle to my greenery die cuts. My brush was getting a little dry here and I squeezed a little too hard. But then I decided I really liked the extra sparkle on the superfine greenery. The superfine greenery came from the Cheerful Daisies die set. The other greenery is from a retired set that went with the Queen Bee stamp set. Once everything was dry, I removed the adhesive backed liner, added some rolled up glue dots, and adhered to the front of the card. The glue dots raised the greenery up just a little bit from the embossing folder. Off camera, I added some flowers with pearl centers and created a matching envelope. For more inspiration and details, visit my blog at. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye!